You're exploring the world of investing, but have you considered a path that leads to profitable returns? Right from your own backyard? Today, we're discussing a unique and sustainable investment in livestock farming. We are focusing on a special breed of sheep that eliminates one of the biggest costs and chores, shearing. This is Katahdin sheep farming for meat, and it might be one of the smartest agricultural investments you can make. A core challenge in traditional sheep farming is the wool. Shearing is labor-intensive and costly. For many smaller operations, the revenue from wool no longer even covers the cost of the shearing itself. This is where the Katahdin, a hair sheep breed, changes the game. Instead of wool, they grow a thick coat of hair for the winter that they naturally shed in the spring. The result? Zero shearing costs and significantly less labor. This directly boosts your profit margins. Beyond low maintenance, the Katahdin is a top-tier meat producer. Their carcasses are known for being lean and well-muscled. The meat is mild-flavored and tender, appealing to a broader consumer market. Katahdins are excellent foragers and they thrive on pasture. They are ideal for grass-fed programs sought by health-conscious consumers. Katahdins are remarkably hardy and naturally resistant to parasites. This dramatically reduces the need for expensive chemicals and veterinary interventions. Their docile temperament makes them easy to handle, even for beginners. They are adaptable to almost any climate, from hot and humid to cold and snowy. Katahdin ewes are prolific breeders, often giving birth to twins or triplets. This helps you grow your flock and your revenue faster. Starting a Katahdin operation can begin small and scale with your budget. You'll need quality fencing, basic shelter, and healthy breeding stock. Proper pasture management is key, with lower input costs and steady demand. A Katahdin farm can become a very profitable venture. Make sure to develop a solid business plan and build connections with local buyers such as farm-to-table restaurants. In conclusion, investing in a Katahdin sheep farm offers a compelling opportunity for a low-maintenance, high-return agricultural business. You save on labor, eliminate shearing, and produce a premium product. If you found this discussion valuable, make sure to like and subscribe to Invest Insight for more insights into smart, sustainable investing. Thanks for watching.